In today's episode of Saving with Miss V, we will be swapping out wallets. This is the wallet that I'm presently using, my nice leather fossil wallet. Has the place for your change in the back. And I was using the dividers. So now we're gonna swap over to my new wallet, which I purchased from the beautiful So Crafty Sanaa. Yay! That's what we're gonna be doing in this video. If you wanna see me set up my new wallet, stay tuned. Baby, this budgeted community is coming through. Coming through with the quality. Check this out. Got you a little dust bag for your wallet, baby. Y'all ready? Look at that. Ooh, it is soft. It's a little wider than I thought, but I think it's still gonna work out good. Ooh, I love the zipper. Yes, it's not real tight. You know how some wallets is real tight, but this one is very loose. This is what drew me to this wallet. The fact that it opens up. Yay! Cause you know it's kind of, look at that, So Crafty Sanaa, baby, come through with the quality. And the gold detail, look at that. And it has a place for 12 cards. Then I got a pocket there. I can put my change here. Ooh, then I got another place for 6 more cards. And then it has another pocket. Baby, this is quality. Did I say quality? This is quality. So let me do a comparison. Not a comparison, but just so you can see why I fell in love with this. It's similar to this one, but this one doesn't open out. So I used the dividers with this one. So I'm gonna swap it out. We're gonna swap these babies out. Yeah, thank you so much, Sanaa. This is beautiful. So what we have here is the Zippy wallet. It's a stylish, functional cash envelope wallet made of high quality vegan leather. And it was very affordable in my opinion. The sleek design gives a versatile look featuring the all-around zipper. Yes, I love the zipper. Ooh, yes. It's nice and thick, that zipper. Sorry about the angle of my camera. I'm trying some new, Miss Vee over here trying some new stuff on her channel. Y'all bear with me. And so the wallet includes 18 card slots that we just discovered, 2 pockets for bills, papers, and passports, 1 zipper compartment, vegan leather interior and exterior, gold hardware. This Zippy has a semi-permanent personal size A6 binder rings in the center of the wallet. This wallet comes in various colors and it tells you how to take care of it. Gives you instructions on maintenance and cleaning of the product. Okay. Do not use a brush or anything like to scrub any stains off of it. Okay, I appreciate that. I wasn't gonna do it anyway, but I appreciate the fact that it's on the instructions. So yeah, that's what we have here. The Miss V. See, Miss V, I told y'all, I buy the things I want now. So yeah, so let's swap this out. And the wallets that I'm going to use, I can't use the wallets I want to use, some that I created. These are the ones I created to use, but I don't have my label machine to label them. But I'm going to go ahead and show them to you. These are my envelopes that I created. The multicolored, just different colors. I love it. I love this one with the foil detail. If you're interested, check out my link down in the description box. You go to my forthecreator.com and go to Miss V and put your order in. So yeah, so we'll change this out next week sometime, but for now we're gonna go back to some of my older envelopes that I had created, but I do not sell these. These are just some that I had created. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to these. They're already labeled. Yeah, so we're gonna swap these out. So I'm gonna swap everything out and come back and show you everything. So stay tuned. Excuse me, ma'am, your total will be $47.98. Oh, thank you. Just let me get this, just let me get my money out of my beautiful wallet here. Oh, that is adorable. I know, thank you. So Crafty Sanai created it. Isn't that wonderful? Look at that. Look at that. Woo! I really appreciate this pocket right here. This pocket right here is giving. I've never seen this in a wallet. A pocket on each side. I love it. This was very well thought out. So, this is what we have. And I have a lot of stuff in here. And let me show you. It's very soft. Don't have any problem zipping this. No problem zipping this. You know, a lot of wallets you have to pull it tight. No, it's very, even if you got arthritis, you can still pull this zipper with ease. Carpal tunnel with ease. Yes. Alright, so this is what we have. Spending. Miscellaneous, which is empty. Personal. Household. Giving. Tips. And eating out. And my receipts. Don't forget to scan your receipts to Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is an app that allows you to scan receipts to redeem them for gift cards. I got a video coming up soon showing you how to actually redeem your points to get gift cards. Let me put this stuff over here and make it look a little better. Because when I open this up, I want to show all the beauty. We're going to show everything. I'm glad they started putting the your credit card number on the back now. Okay, the final flip through. Spending, miscellaneous, personal, household, giving and tips, eating out, and my receipts and coupons. Like I said, don't forget to scan your receipts to Fetch Rewards. And you know, Fetch Rewards is an app that allows you to scan any receipts and to redeem. You can redeem them for gift cards. I have a video coming up soon showing you step by step the process from you actually scanning your receipts, building the points, to you redeeming them and actually cashing them out for a gift card. Got a up-to-date tutorial coming out soon. I already have a couple of videos on my channel, but there's some updated things that Fetch have changed, so I'm gonna do an updated video. So yeah, so look at it. So that's it. This is my wallet. This is Miss V swapping out her wallet. You know, every 6 months I have to swap out my wallet, but I think this probably by far is the, I think I like this one better than that Moturn. Number one, because it's kind of light too. It's not real heavy. So yeah, I'll test it out for 6 months and come back and let y'all know how I like it. So yeah, so that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always show you a way to save. Thank you, and have a nice day.